Hello everybody and welcome to a brand new Chef Day video. Hope you guys are having a great start to the weekend and thank you very much for checking out today's video. If you don't know who I am, my name is Dave and I recreate Disney park snacks and foods that you can easily make at home with absolutely no stress at all. If you guys want to check out all of my other videos, I'll leave a link in the description bar below for the full playlist and top right corner of the video so you can just check it out. And if you enjoy these types of videos, make sure to subscribe and also hit the post notification button so you can get notified of all the future videos that I've got coming out for you. So today's recipe that I'm going to be recreating for you guys today is actually a brand new snack that was introduced at Disney's Hollywood Studios theme park, and that of course is Toy Story Land. If you didn't know where the Backlot Studio Tour used to be, they've brought out this brand new land that you get shrunk into Andy's backyard. You get to see all your favourite characters from the Pixar film Toy Story, and they've introduced a Woody's Lunchbox quick service restaurant. I'm going to be creating for you guys the raspberry lunchbox tarts. They have two flavours, one being chocolate and one being raspberry, which I'm going to make for you guys today. If you want to see the full recipe, it is in the description bar below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and let's get to it. So here we go guys, these are the raspberry lunchbox tarts. Super easy to make. You can actually change the fillings to your requirements. If you want chocolate or different flavoured jam, you can absolutely do whatever you like, and decoration wise you can do whatever you like. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give this video a massive thumbs up. If you want to subscribe, just click this button just here. And if you want to check out some of our other videos, I'll leave the playlist here for you guys. And we also did a trip to Tokyo with my partner Steph, because we also do vlogs as well to Disney parks. I'll leave that for you guys just on the left hand side for you. So thanks very much for watching folks, and I shall see you on the next one. Bye!